Welcome to Intuit. We're here to tell you a little bit about new QuickBooks 3.0. So what is QuickBooks? Well, it's made by the folks here at Intuit, the makers of Quicken. Now, you've probably heard of Quicken. It's the best-selling personal finance package on the market. It's very smart, very cool, and exceptionally easy to use. QuickBooks is kind of like an industrial-strength version of Quicken, designed for businesses. It's got the same easy-to-use interface as Quicken and the higher-end features a small business needs in a serious accounting package. Features like invoicing, tracking receivables and payables. QuickBooks tracks project and job profitability. With the QuickPay add-on, QuickBooks also handles payroll. It also offers extensive reports and graphs designed just for small businesses, making it the perfect choice for small business accounting needs. We're really hyped about the feedback we've been getting on new version 3.0. To show you why, we've asked our real customers to give you an overview of the product.
Hi, we're here with Marla Robson, is that right?
Yes.
And what do you do for a living, Marla?
I go into home businesses and keep track of their bookkeeping.
Okay, are you an accountant?
No, I'm not.
But you do your own books.
Yes, I do.
And you know a good program when you see one.
Yes, I do.
Okay, great. What have you got set up for us today?
Today I have two identical systems. One has Peachtree 3.0, the other one has QuickBooks 3.0.
And you know both programs relatively well.
Yes, I do, but I have the manuals in case we get stuck.
Do I look like an accountant? I'm an accountant. I'm a certified public accountant, and I used to be a hell of a handball player. Intuit has been the premier company in developing and delivering financial software. With QuickBooks 3.0 for Windows, you've got it all. You've got inventory and you've got Audit Trail. Their implementation of their audit control feature is just dynamite. There's no other system that combines ease of use with accounting controls and Audit Trail that's on the market today. You just got to sit down and compare. You got to compare QuickBooks 3.0 with the competition.
Let's compare audit trails here. How does QuickBooks handle the old audit trail test?
Great, let me show you. Here's an old invoice. You can go in and change any part of it that you like. Click OK, and it automatically adds the transaction to your audit trail.
Oh, that's great. Now, how would I do the same thing in Peachtree?
It's a little bit different in Peachtree. If you want to have a permanent change, you have to go into the debit credit reversal transaction screen, enter your information, and it will show on the general journal.
Okay, well, which audit trail would you rather use?
QuickBooks.
I'm not an accountant, I'm a computer consultant. And we design and troubleshoot networks. We write custom databases for companies and individuals. I think I have a cool business. I wouldn't have as cool of a business if it wasn't for QuickBooks. I think it's great that QuickBooks is coming out on Macintosh. QuickBooks has a new inventory feature which allows me to track all my inventory, and it's really nice. It's very straightforward and very easy to use. I can enter a new product in my inventory. I can write a purchase order for it. When that product comes in, I can receive it and automatically my inventory is updated. A lot of times, as we know, the vendors don't deliver what they're supposed to deliver, or they deliver less product than you ordered. With QuickBooks, I don't have to worry about that. I can say, okay, I've ordered 10, but I've only received 7. And it keeps track of those 3 that I still have on order. I don't have to go somewhere else to track those 3. I don't have to remember a lot of things. I don't have to write notes to myself. It knows at any given point that I still got 3 of these widgets out there.
Okay, now we're in inventory. Let's say I ordered 5 items about a month ago. I received them all today, but they haven't billed me for them yet. Is that something I can put into QuickBooks?
Yes, you can go into the item receipt only screen, enter in the items that you got, press OK, and it's entered into your inventory.
That's great. Well, can I do that in Peachtree too?
No, Peachtree makes you enter in the bill and the inventory at the same time. So if you get the inventory first, you have to create a fake bill, which will put your books off. Or you have to wait until the bill comes in and then enter your inventory, which means your inventory will be off. So the choice is really yours. You have to make that decision.
Sounds like I'd probably just choose QuickBooks then, huh?
I would.
I hope I don't look like an accountant. I'm not an accountant. I am a small business owner, and I own a tackle shop down in Cabo San Lucas. And QuickBooks has been very, very helpful to me. You know, payroll is a pain in the butt, okay? It really is a pain, and yet with QuickPay, just QuickBooks is so easy to use. Again, you just point and click, enter numbers. You can certainly personalize it to your own business. If I want to customize an invoice, I can do that.
Okay, we're back with Marla. Marla, how would you design your own invoice in, say, QuickBooks?
QuickBooks makes it very easy to design your own invoice specifically for your business. All you do is click on what it is you want, press OK, and you've got it.
Wow, that's great. Well, how would I do that in Peachtree?
This is Peachtree's main screen. What you'd have to do is grab a whole block, move it, then shrink the letters down to fit inside the box, and then add the columns as you would like to have them.
It's kind of like a weekend project, huh?
It's complicated, yeah.
Which would you rather use?
QuickBooks.
The other thing that QuickBooks does for me is it allows me to see just where my business stands at any given point in time. It gives me the most incredible graphs of my accounts receivables and my accounts payables.
Okay, now we're looking at the graphic capabilities of the two programs. What kind of graphs will Peachtree produce for us?
Well, this is an example of a Peachtree graph,
How about QuickBooks?
and there's a QuickBooks graph.
Jeez, that kind of speaks for itself, doesn't it?
From a professional's point of view, the product is extremely functional and extremely powerful. QuickBooks 3.0 for Windows will decimate the competition.
QuickBooks gives me more control over my business on a day-to-day basis that I wouldn't have otherwise with any other package.
It gives me the flexibility to do what I want to do, create the reports I want to create, and of course I get to view them anytime I want to just by clicking a button. What could be easier?
It also shows me just where I stand financially at any point.
Okay, now that we've finished our side-by-side comparison, let's go through the list here. Marla, what do you think QuickBooks rated on the inventory comparison to Peachtree?
Oh, QuickBooks is much more flexible.
Okay, how about the Audit Trail?
QuickBooks Audit Trail is great.
Customizing invoicing?
It's the best part of QuickBooks.
Okay, and if someone were to tell you right now that QuickBooks isn't a complete accounting package, what would you say?
They're wrong. It's the most complete, easiest to use software available.
There's nothing like reconciling your bank account using QuickBooks. It is a gas.
It's reasonably priced. It has all the features that every other accounting program has.
It's by far and away the simplest and best accounting program I've used, and I've used several of them, believe me.
One of the reasons why I bought QuickBooks so it wouldn't clash with my Turtles. Turtles, QuickBooks, same color.